COVID, lockdown, and no fashion? No. We need to change it right now. Many of us want to keep high fashion statements as well as protection, isn't it? We know that you are searching for such face masks that look crazy and people will be like wow when they see them. So you're in the right place. From vegetable masks to jewelry masks, we have everything in the 10 craziest masks people actually wear during COVID-19. To get amazing creative ideas, you have to stay connected till the end. Make sure to subscribe to Inside Tens and hit the bell icon for all the future updates. Hold your pen and notebook because we are going to show you the craziest face masks that you can also make for yourself. Let's check out the number 10. A plastic water tank mask. Another crazy mask to protect yourself from COVID, a resident of Manila cut out a plastic water tank to make a face mask for the pandemic, which is a safe and creative one. This idea has also been adopted in different countries like India and Colombia, where people used recyclable plastic water tanks and bottles to make face masks. Number 9. A deaf and dumb mask. Anissa Mekrabek, who is a French leather creator, made a mask for the deaf and hearing impaired people in Toulouse. The transparent mask helps the lip reading for the deaf and for those who have difficulty hearing. We must say that it's a nice step for humanity. Number 8. A recycled material mask. Do you have waste plastic bottles? Do not go to waste them because we have a trick to reuse them. Let's follow this guy, a Filipino artist, Leroy. New designs makeshift masks with recycled materials such as plastic, bottles, cups, and shuttlecocks for the protection against COVID. You can make this to spend your quarantine with some creative things at low cost. So what are you waiting for? Number 7. A gas mask. We know COVID has caught you in all ways, from offices to schools. Everything is stuck. But what about the graduate students who are waiting for their graduation ceremony? No worries, a student from Skyline High School USA has an idea for all those students. Yes, Isaac Hill wore a gas face mask with his cap and gown in his graduation ceremony. This is a super creative idea to celebrate your graduation ceremony with protection against COVID. Number 6. A pig mask. People in Tokyo have been seen with pigs' face masks in the pandemic. Yes, this mask may look bizarre, but people have worn them at shopping districts to keep themselves safe with COVID. It's really crazy. Imagine people all over the world wearing masks of different animals like lions or horses. Kinda creepy, isn't it? Number 5. A plague doctor mask. Don't get scared of these masks. People actually wear these in the pandemic for some fun and protection. Plague Doctor mask has a waxed fabric, a glass eye opening, a beak-shaped nose, and stuffed with herbs. At the Venice Film Festival, actress Radha Mitchell was walking with the Plague Doctor mask on the red carpet. Have you ever tried vegetables or fruit face masks for protection? No, we are not talking about the protection of facial skin. Which one, you wonder? Okay, wait. First, subscribe to Inside Tens to find real-life proof because we are not joking. Pick up vegetables like carrots, spinach, cabbage, or leek and check out the 4th spot to make a face mask with some creativity. Number 4. A cabbage mask. A Palestinian mother who has fascinated her children with a makeshift mask of cabbage as she cooks in Beit Lahia in the northern Gaza Strip sounds interesting. You may think that how can we use vegetables to make face masks? But oh man, have a look at their creativity. We will try a spinach mask so that we can eat it too and become Popeye. Number 3. A Thailand-inspired mask. Protect yourself by maintaining all the standards of fashion. Yeah, a fashion designer, Kennedy Gasper, made a face mask that is inspired by the fashion of Thailand. Moreover, a face mask that has a headdress that was made with jewels. Number 2. A Joker mask. Who else wasn't inspired by Joaquin Phoenix in the movie Joker? We know you all love his mask, so the artist, Matthias Kretschmer from Austria, has started creating a face mask based on movies. Recently, he made a Joker's mask, which is quite worth seeing. All that glitters is gold, I guess. This is the perfect statement for our number 1. A gold mask. A Israeli jewelry company made the mind-blowing expensive face mask to protect yourself in COVID. The 18-karat white gold mask is made up of 3,600 white and black diamonds. Its buyer was a Chinese businessman from the USA. This crazy mask has the craziest price tag of $1.5 million. Moreover, a man from Pune appeared with a mask, which is made up of gold worth 2.89 lakhs. We wish we were this kind of rich. As the face masks are in dire need, people are creating hilarious and craziest face masks just to protect themselves from the novel virus. After watching all these pics, we are thinking to make a face mask of wood. Not a bad idea, right? We hope that you have written your ideas in your notebook too. Share your thoughts with us in the comment section so that we will make it together. Are you ready for it? But before moving to the next, like this video, subscribe and activate the bell icon to be a part of the Inside 10's fashion family. Also, don't forget to check out our videos now appearing on the left and right of your screen. Stay safe everyone, see ya!